Yeah, so really number one, and if you're from up north, you already know this and you're like, man, I'm in Florida, I'd try, we're not supposed to be doing this anymore. But number one is keep a little drip on your faucet. Keep that dripping. That's gonna keep water flowing. That's gonna cause it hopefully not to freeze. Number two, which I'll grab some insulation, but you wanna insulate your main going into your house that's exposed to all the elements. We're gonna see 30-degree weather. We're gonna have high winds. So that's a freeze point. Actually back 15, 16 years ago, we had a very, very large freeze. And our phone lines just lit up. I mean, we had thousands and thousands of people were calling. Everybody's mains were breaking, backflows were breaking. We pulled people from all of our different divisions to try to help get people up. And looking what I'm seeing in the weather now, we might have a similar situation. So at RJ Kielty, we're actually bringing in some of our guys to help work this weekend, at least on standby, just in case that happens. All right, so the biggest thing is your main line coming into your house, your main plumbing water supply coming into your house. You're typically gonna have your main shutoff right there. So one of the big things that you wanna do is make sure it's insulated. We're in Florida, typically these are originally insulated and then deteriorates and it's not there anymore, but nobody pays attention to it because we don't have these freezes. So, one of the biggest things you're gonna wanna do, you wanna cut it. So you have usually coming out of the ground, you're gonna have your water pipe coming up. You're gonna wanna cut. So you're also gonna have a 90 coming into your house here. So you're gonna wanna insulate this coming up into your house, cut around the ball valve. What you're gonna see here is these double-sided tapes. And again, wrap it around your pipe, push it together. Same thing on this side, and there you have it. So doing this is very critical to make sure that you don't have, ice and everything forming inside your pipes, which then cause it to potentially break. So really quick, really easy, go to Ace Perquette, grab the material that you need, and you're done.
Now, you guys also do AC and heating. What are some of the things that we should do for our heating also?
Yeah, the biggest thing is turn it on now and check it, and a lot of times when you turn on your heat for the first time, it's going to have that kind of a different smell. You think your house is on fire. You typically not. It's burning off dust. It's burning off oils. That's going to make that kind of smell. So check it now. Make sure it's working. If your heat is not working, get somebody out there ASAP before it gets to the weekend and it's going to be cold.
And should people have their heat on the entire time, or should it be set at a certain temperature?
I like to set it at a certain temperature. I don't like it to get really, at least in my house, the 65 or whatever. And that's also going to help, your heating with your plumbing inside of your house and stuff. Keeping that, the temperatures up so, obviously you can't freeze.